All right. How's everyone doing? Um, just a quick little video, give you guys a update on what's going on. Some exciting things happening. If you saw the card in the very beginning, just a couple seconds ago, True Leaf Market, my order's coming in tomorrow. So I'm going to be packing up those variety packs of microgreen seeds. So once I get them in and portion them out, and I know how many I have to put up, I'll go ahead and put that in the Etsy shop. And what I'll do is before I just open it up to the general public and let everybody at it, I'll go ahead and shoot a quick video and post the video so y'all go ahead and have your notifications and that on. I'll post a video and let you guys know the day before I go ahead and go live with it. And then you guys will have first choice to go in there before it's just open up to the general public. It's going to be a limited amount because just whatever I order, I'm going to portion up and see how many portions I get out of that. And I have a better idea. And then if those start to sell fast, I'll go ahead and order some more. And these came within about a week. So I think I can keep up with everything. But that's pretty cool. I'm excited about that because once I start doing that, I'm also going to be planting a bunch of them out for myself. I'll shoot videos for y'all for that too. Another exciting thing is some people were asking how they can kind of support the channel, and I want to thank everybody who's bought like grow boxes and ebooks over the past couple of months since we had like the home isolation. Me and my wife are self-employed, so we didn't get any kind of unemployment. So what you guys have done, I know that you buy it for yourself and that, but it also helps me out, and it really helped our family out for the past couple of months. So I really I love y'all for that. So really appreciate that. But some other people were asking how they could kind of support it. They didn't really want a grow box, or they made their own. Some people made like 10 or 12 of these. They've been like sending me pictures in. If y'all join the Facebook group, Keep On Growing Facebook group, they all share it in there. There's a lot of fantastic stuff what people are doing. But some people been asking, how they can help support, but they don't, want to buy any grow boxes or anything. And YouTube finally let me, they finally approved me for memberships. So if you see down below, there's a little button that says join. And I just made a real simple little thing. It's $4.99 a month. And we'll have some like members only live streams. We'll have like question and answer. And if you guys want anything else as far as perks, go ahead and let me know what you would like in it. I can do it any kind of level, but I decided to just do one. I want to keep it simple because I don't really like asking, for super chats and buy this or buy my downspouts. And then people asked if I had merch, and I really didn't make that yet because, like I said, I don't want to be turning around every 2 seconds and asking you guys for money. So I don't really do too much of that. But I thought the memberships were kind of cool because you can go ahead and sign up for that. It's just $4.99 a month. Something simple, nothing too expensive. About the cost of a cup of coffee at Starbucks. Not at the gas station. But if you guys want any kind of special perks or anything, or you like to help support, just let me know and I can adjust that. I just made the one level. Like I said, I just want to keep it simple. So give that some thought, and I appreciate anybody that does that. The other thing is I've got another grow box I've been experimenting with that while I was busy making all of these, I've got like a stack of them over there that has to go out this week. I was experimenting with another one, and I've got this one that I made, and it's insulated, and you guys know how hot it's been lately. And I kept this one on the table in the direct sun right during the heat of the day. And I've got a video coming out. That's some pak choi. And I grew the pak choi during all this heat. I was really excited about it because the other containers and everything were all everything's kind of suffering in that. We're having a real tough summer here. But this pak choi just grew right through the summer. So I'm making me several more of these containers. I'm going to have a bunch of them out there. And what I'm going to do is film it. I'm going to show you guys how to make it. It's a lot easier than the downspouts. If you guys have made downspouts, this is going to be a lot simpler. It's a little easier in the sense that you don't have to get a heat gun and bend ends or anything. If you don't know, how to make the downspouts, I've got a playlist down below, and there's a playlist on how to make the downspouts. And after you cut it and drill holes, one thing is you have to heat it and kind of bend the ends in. This one you won't have to do that. So I'm gonna have a video on how to do that, and it's insulated, and I'll show you the temperatures and everything. So I'm real excited about that because that, like I said, that pak choy is doing better than the other ones in the downspouts right now. So much needed improvement. And who knows, it may even work during the winter too and help keep it insulated a little bit too. You know, if it wants it uh, absorb some of the afternoon sun and it warms up, maybe the insulation will kind of help keep it a little bit warm. Uh, well, we'll see. I'm gonna make some, and of course I'm here in Florida, so if you guys are other parts of the United States, you're gonna have to try it out because we don't get much of a winter down here. So, so that's the news right now. Like I said, I've got the seeds coming in. I'm excited about that. I'm gonna grow a bunch more microgreens. Get some variety packs out for y'all. I've got that new grow box. That video will be coming out in the next couple of days. I've got most of it filmed. I've got a little bit more to film, and I've got to edit some, but that'll be out. And of course, if I will put it in the Etsy shop because some people don't have time or they're not handy enough to make it. I will go ahead and put that in the Etsy shop. But I think that like I said, it's a little easier than the downspouts. I think almost all of you will be able to make your own. And it's made with food grade buckets and that too, which is another plus. So I've got that, and then of course, like I said, if anybody wants to help support the channel, there's a little join button down below. Memberships, it's $4.99 a month, and we'll have private Q&As once a month, and anything else y'all want, just let me know. So you guys, I really appreciate all you've done for me in the past couple of months. I hope that I can serve you, and I'm gonna have a lot more videos coming out. Just having a tough time keeping up with everything right now. So you guys just keep doing what you're doing and share it with everybody. And much love. Keep on growing. Be the change. We'll catch you later.